Alright, it is 8:30 on Sunday, November 1st. We're almost at 6 months, which is a lot. No idea what day we're on, but 140 something, 150, who knows. But yeah, I have the last 2 days to talk about. Yeah, so we took the zero on the 29th. Yep. And then on the 30th, we kind of got a late start, and we were back on trail about 11:30. And we didn't realize quite how much rain we got until we were back on trail, and it was just completely flooded in places, and every stream we passed was overflowing. So, yeah. A lot of that, a lot of super full streams. Yeah, and then we got to a nice shelter that night, 2 nights ago. Yeah, no, that was a really nice shelter. It was a stone, made of stone, and had a fireplace. And so, yeah, it got down to the 20s that night, very cold. But we had a fire going all night pretty much, and so yeah, we were all nice and warm. Yeah. We had a fire going all night. We woke up, we still had fire. Kind of hung out there for a while, and then so that was about 10 miles, I think, on the 30th, and then yesterday, the 31st, Halloween, we walked, we did about 14 yesterday, so it was a decently long day. Well, it was an okay length day, but did about 14 yesterday, so, and then, oh yeah, yesterday, crossing one of these super full streams, I accidentally dropped my foot into the stream and immediately completely soaked. That was not fun. So yeah, came here, and then yeah, last night was not nearly as cold as the night before. Probably only down into the high 30s, and so compared to the night before, we were perfectly fine and all nice and warm. So yeah, and then it's been a rainy morning, so we've been moving slow this morning. Try and wait out the rain a little bit. Doesn't look like it's going to be a possibility though, so gonna have to do some hiking in the rain, but it's only a light rain at the moment, so we've had worse. Yeah. We've been encountering more through hikers. We were going through a stretch there for a while where we didn't encounter anybody, and so it is nice to see some more people, but yeah. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So it is 2:30 on November 1st. Today is was kind of a reality check.
Today was very cold.
Yeah. Yeah, like reality check for the winter come up ahead.
I'm wearing almost all of my clothes right now.
Yeah. Yeah. So we were originally planning on climbing this next mountain and camping at the top, but we have decided that because it's going to be so cold tonight, that the extra warmth that comes with being at a lower elevation, even if it is only like 4 degrees, is absolutely worth walking more tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going to get to like 18 tonight.
Yeah, our current low is about 18, 19, and that does not include wind chill, so
yeah,
it's going to be cold tonight. Then our high tomorrow is in the 30s, so
yeah,
it's going to be a rough day tomorrow.
It is. It's gonna be. Well, the worst part is it's gonna be coldest right when we wake up.
Yeah.
That's when it's gonna drop the lowest.
Yeah, so it's going to be hard to get out of the sleeping bag.
Yeah.
But then it's going to be another cold day when we get into Damascus, which is the next town, which is 2 days away from here for us. But then after that, I believe it should warm up a little bit. So hopefully, and then we'll see how it goes from there. All right, it is 3 o'clock on Monday, November 2nd, day 148, I believe, about that. Yeah, so today was not a bad day, not bad at all. Yeah, so we've gone, I want to say about 12 miles today, somewhere around there. So it's not bad at all. We're going to get into Damascus tomorrow. So that'll be nice. And then spend a night inside. But yeah, that'll be nice to be inside. Because last night, it got down not quite sure how cold. Definitely into the teens. There was definitely a fair bit of wind last night. It was definitely not fun. Yeah, not quite sure how bad it was, but as we thought, it was super cold this morning when we woke up. Like, from the time we started hiking to about 11 a.m., my beard was full of ice. Like, it was full of ice. So the next time that happens, if it happens again, I will definitely get a picture. Didn't think to do that today, but a lot of ice. Not fun. Yeah. But once we got moving, it wasn't that bad. But it was about getting out of the sleeping bag and getting packed up and getting moving. So, yeah, it was cold. Definitely down into the teens. Maybe I don't think it got into single digits, but it could have been like 10 at the extreme end. But, yeah. So we're definitely not quite looking forward to going. So it's going further south, but going higher elevations. Like, it's supposed to warm up here, like highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s, at like 2,000 feet, which means at 4,000 feet it'll be highs in the 50s, and at 6,000 feet it'll be highs in the 40s. So if we can try and camp low and, try and use the elevation, camp at elevations that'll be warmer, we should be fine. Like last night, my sleeping bag was just fine, kept me plenty warm. Yeah, so reality check yesterday, but I think we're good. Yeah. Yeah, don't have anything else, so yeah.